to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, I'm bringing you a special video about a free Twitch extension that can help you guys get free alerts on your live streams, improve your live streams exponentially. And by the way, guys, just want to explain that this is a sponsored video by Own 3D Media, and I'm here to promote their extension. So without further ado, guys, let's hop into the video and let me explain why this extension is so cool. Just a little background about this company, Own3D.tv. They're a streaming alerts provider for all live streaming services. They do Mixer, YouTube, Twitch, even Facebook. And on screen here, you can see what they provide: overlays, alerts, panels, and much more. They do alert sounds panels, stinger transitions, sub emotes, sub badges, bit badges, avatars and logos, websites for streamers. Okay, so basically they have all this cool stuff to make your live stream way better, look way more clean, and just like increase your viewership overall with their amazing templates and all this good stuff. So guys, I'm going to leave a link to their website down below. That is an affiliate link, so if you click it and make a purchase, I benefit from that. Okay, so let's hop over to Twitch, and I'm going to show you guys how this extension works and how you can get free alerts streaming from your console. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm here on my Twitch account, Life Made Easy 10. If you want to go follow me on Twitch, I stream Apex Legends, and you can do so. Okay, so guys, here's the whole details about it. It's basically they provide a service where they can give you alerts on your Twitch live stream or any live stream in particular without having to set up Streamlabs, OBS, connected to a PC, nothing like that. You can do this all straight from your console. Your alerts will pop up for followers, subscribers, all that good stuff, guys. And it's 100% free, except if you get the premium, that costs money. But there's a free version, which I'm going to be showing you in a bit. Also, guys, I'm going to be giving away 10 premium keys for free. All you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, and go follow me on Twitch. And if you do that, I will send you a free premium key so you guys unlock even more cool alerts for your channel. Okay, so I'm here. I'm on my Twitch channel. I'm going to click on the top right. I am going to go to Creator Dashboard. So first install it. I already have it installed, but obviously you click the install button there if you want to install it. So then you want to make your way over to extensions, and it shows all these featured extensions, but you want to click My Extensions. And here we go. We have the free stream alerts. Also, guys, I'm going to show you how to configure it as well. Just click the settings, scroll down, and so here's basically the configuration before you activate it, as I just did. Basically, choose the alert, choose alert events, design, all this stuff, and here's the premium that I was talking about earlier. You can activate premium alerts, but obviously they're going to charge you for this, but I'm going to be giving away 10 free ones, which is cool. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you all the alerts that they have and how to configure it. So let's just hop right into it. Click on Choose Alert, and as you can see, they have all these really cool alerts here, all really nice animations, 100% free. If you guys want these cool animations, make sure to click the link and download this extension, because guys, you do not want to miss out on this if you're streaming on console. Just look at how cool these are. All these are for new subscriber. Obviously it's a template. So let's back out of this. Whoops. Choose the alerts. They have new follower. You can do custom text, whatever you want. So say you want to do, I don't know, thanks for following. Stay tuned for, if I can type, future streams. Stuff like that. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you want. They have new host. You do custom text there. New bits. And this is the one I clicked, by the way, if you're just wondering. New subscriber. I like that animation. I think it's clean and it matches my logo. So resubscriber, if someone's resubscribing, and gifted subscription. So they have all these cool alerts, guys. Highly recommend this. I think this is very beneficial for those looking to up their live streams, make it look more professional, have those alerts, because obviously it's going to make your community more engaged with your content, stuff like that, and this is going to help you grow on Twitch exponentially. And it's 100% free, and it's great for those who need alerts on their channel and do not have a PC to do this or a capture card to do this, because PCs and capture cards are not cheap. Those are really expensive, and why would you get that when you can just come here and download this extension and get those free alerts, 100% free. And if you want to pay a little extra, you can do those get those premium alerts. They're really cool as well. I'm going to briefly switch over and show you these once I activate my account. So I'm going to be giving away 9 of these. One of them was for me, so I'm going to be giving away 9. If you guys obviously just follow me on Twitch, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, and I will DM you the premium key. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that. So here I'm about to type in the key. I'm going to Control V that. I'm going to click activate, and let's see what happens. Okay, so now I have premium, and I'm going to show you basically the premium alerts that you can get with this. Okay, premium alerts. Any questions? Okay, blah blah blah. Oops, wrong thing. You get new alerts monthly, and you get support via live chat / ticket, and you get seasonal special alerts like Halloween, Christmas, stuff like that. So that's really cool. So I just realized that the premium alerts are in here. They're the ones with the crowns on the top. They're a little more fancy, I've noticed. So if you want to get those premium alerts and make your live stream even more professional, I can give those away, or you can pay a little extra for it. So that's that. Once you have everything configured with your alerts, you like how it looks and stuff, you want to X out of this, and then let me just deactivate it, just so I can show you tutorial purposes. You want to click activate, set as overlay 1, and now the extension is active. Free stream alerts is now active. Blah blah blah. Click done, and you're all set. Your extension's fully installed, and now I'm going to hop into a live stream and show you guys what this actually looks like when you're live and an alert pops up. Okay guys, so here I just have a quick test stream going on, and I went on another account to follow myself, and I just wanted to show you briefly what it looks like with the alert. So on screen here is the alert. I think it looks really clean. Yeah, so that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all can utilize own3d.tv's extension for Twitch alerts and just live stream alerts in general to hopefully improve your live streams overall. So guys, this is once again 100% free. If you want to pay more, you can get the premium. I'm going to be giving away 9 premium codes. Just follow me on Twitch, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. That's all you have to do to enter to receive one of the premium codes, and I will send you it directly via YouTube or Twitter, whatever. So guys, I'm going to be linking everything down below. I'm going to be linking the link to the extension, the link to their website. If you guys want to go check out their other products that they do offer other cool products, as well as my affiliate link for this website. I am part of their partner program right now. So guys, go do all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.